Hi friends, this video shows how to move some apps and games to external SSD storage and create some free space in internal storage of Google TV streamer 4K device. So here I am using this Samsung portable SSD. This is 1 TB SSD. Here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see the white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to this USB hub, and here you can see one black cable that is connected to this Samsung T7 Shield SSD storage 1 TB. This is a setup. Then go to TV, set all settings, go to system, go to storage, and here you can see that Samsung SSD storage 1 TB. So when you connect this SSD storage for the first time, you would see this 1 TB SSD storage under removable storage section. So there you have to format it. So you have to select that SSD storage, then erase and format as internal storage. I already formatted this SSD storage as internal storage. That is the reason it's showing under device storage. So right now this is a device storage. So when you format, it will automatically come under this device storage. So now you can see the total size of this device storage increased from 26 GB to 26 GB plus 1 TB. So now we can move some apps and games from this internal storage of this Google TV streamer to this Samsung SSD. So let me show how we can move. We have two options. We can use this migrate data to this storage option, or we can manually move. We can go down, and here you can see all apps. If we go to this apps section and select see all apps, here you can see all apps installed in this Google TV streamer. From here, let me set one app, then go to storage used, and here you can see right now this app is installed in the internal storage of this Google TV streamer device. I can move this to SSD storage using this second option. Let me move. Done. Please wait. Done. Let me verify. Again, set this storage used. See, now it shows Samsung USB drive. So this way we can move apps and games from internal storage of Google TV streamer to external storage. We can also move it back if you want. Let me move it back to internal storage. See, done. So you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.